Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Launching a new business is an exciting venture, and one of the first and most crucial steps is choosing the right business name. This isn't a task to be taken lightly. Your business name is the cornerstone of your brand. It's the first thing that customers see, and it can set the tone for their entire perception of your business. A well-chosen name can inspire trust, convey your business's purpose, and even invoke a sense of curiosity that draws customers in. On the other hand, a poorly thought-out name can confuse potential customers, or worse, drive them away. Think about iconic brands like Apple, Nike, or Amazon. Their names are short, memorable, and they each tell a story, don't they? They've become synonymous with the values and products they represent. Remember, a business name is more than just a label. It's the first impression your business makes. Make it count. Choosing the perfect business name starts with a brainstorming session. Now, where to begin? Let's dive into a few tried and tested methods that can kickstart your creative process. First off, there's the good old-fashioned technique of mind mapping. Here, you start with a central idea, in this case, your business, and branch out with related words, phrases, or concepts. Imagine you're opening a bakery. Your mind map could branch into words like fresh, homemade, artisan, and so on. This process can lead you to potential business names you might not have considered otherwise. Next, we've got word association. This is a fun and creative technique where you list down words related to your business and then note down the first word that comes to your mind in response. Say, you're planning to start a tech company. You might associate innovation with futuristic, coding with matrix, or technology with quantum. This can spark unique and catchy business names. Now, if you're feeling stuck, don't worry. We've all been there. This is where online business name generators can come in handy. These tools can generate hundreds of name ideas based on the keywords you input. Remember, these are just to kickstart your imagination. The final decision is all yours. And here's a tip. Don't limit yourself. The more ideas you have, the better. This is the time to let your creativity shine. Don't censor yourself, even if some ideas seem odd or out of place. You never know what might lead to that perfect name. Also, think about your target market, your values, your unique selling propositions. What words or phrases resonate with these aspects? Incorporating them into your business name can make it more meaningful and relatable. Above all, remember, this is not a race. Don't rush this process. Take your time and let your creative juices flow. This is the first step in your entrepreneurial journey. Make it count. Your business name is more than just a name. It's the foundation of your brand's identity. So, take a deep breath, grab a pen, and let the brainstorming begin. Once you've come up with a list of potential business names, it's time to check their availability. One of the first steps in this process is to conduct a simple web search. This can provide a quick snapshot of whether your proposed name is already in use. Next, it's important to check the availability of the corresponding domain name. You want to ensure that you can establish a strong online presence with your business name, and owning the domain is a key part of that. Lastly, a crucial step in this process is checking the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office's database. This is to ensure that your business name isn't already trademarked. If it is, you could end up in legal hot water down the line. If your desired business name is already taken, don't be discouraged. Use this as an opportunity to refine your ideas and come up with something even better. After confirming your business name's availability, it's important to consider the legal aspects. Choosing a business name isn't just about creativity and marketability. The legal considerations are equally significant. Ignoring these can lead to potential legal issues down the line. So let's delve into some of these legal aspects. Firstly, we have trademark laws. A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that identifies and distinguishes the source of goods or services. It's crucial to ensure that your business name doesn't infringe on any existing trademarks. This means you can't use a name that's already trademarked or too similar to an existing one. Infringement can lead to costly legal disputes and force you to change your business name after you've already established it. To avoid this, you can search the United States Patent and Trademark Office's online database. It's also advisable to hire a trademark attorney to conduct a comprehensive search and provide legal advice. Next, consider state-specific business name rules. Each state has its own set of regulations. Some states may prohibit certain words in a business name, while others may require specific words depending on the type of business. For instance, if you're setting up a limited liability company, many states require the inclusion of LLC, or limited liability company, in your business name. Also, remember that your business name must be distinguishable from other business names already registered in your state. This is different from the trademark law and is a requirement for your business registration. Lastly, consider the legal implications of using your own name for your business. While it can add a personal touch, it may also expose you to personal liability if legal issues arise. In conclusion, while picking a business name involves creativity, it's vital to take the legal considerations seriously. It's always a good idea to consult with a legal professional to ensure you're on the right path. Ensuring your business name complies with all legal requirements will save you from potential legal issues down the line. You've brainstormed, checked availability, and considered the legal aspects. Now it's time to finalize your business name. This is the moment where your idea begins to take on a life of its own. But before you make it official, you might want to get some feedback. Reach out to friends, family, or even potential customers. You'll want to see how it resonates and make sure it's easy to pronounce and remember. Next, consider how it sounds when spoken aloud. Is it catchy? Does it roll off the tongue? This is important because word of mouth is still a powerful tool in business. Finally, ensure your chosen name aligns with your brand's image and values. It should represent not just what you do, but who you are as a company. A great name will capture the essence of your brand and make a lasting impression on your customers. With your perfect business name chosen, you're now ready to take the next step in your entrepreneurial journey.